Hello my beautiful wildflowers. I'm out and about again. Today I'm at Fort Funston, California, and this is near San Francisco, and I just want to go ahead and record our walk. And this is pretty much a dog park where you can like walk dogs without the leash. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip you guys around. Alright guys, I am actually literally at the cliff, and I want to go ahead and show you what is in front of me. So I'm going to flip you guys around and so you can see. Okay, as you guys can tell, okay, here's like the edge of the cliff, and I'm not going to get too close because this is kind of scary for me. I'm a little bit, fear of heights here without a parachute. So there's people down there, and this used to be an old bunker. A little bit of history here. This used to be an old bunker during World War II, and as you can see, there's still remnants of that bunker down there in the water line, and you can actually climb down there. It looks like somebody tried to make a trail from here. This is crazy. So, but I just want to go ahead and give you guys a good look, and then I will move on and then bring you to somewhere different. And this is also a location where people hang glide, and when it's nice and windy. Don't know if they're still doing that here. When I was actually a trauma nurse, we used to get these patients on from the helicopter transport to our hospital where people had crashed, and as you can see, this is a pretty steep cliff. So yeah, so okay guys, let me go ahead and shut you down for now until the next stop. Okay, thanks. Okay guys, I thought I would go ahead and stop here, and you can still see the ocean from there, and I just wanted to give you a pretty good panoramic view. I don't know if you could see at a distance. I don't know, let me see if I can zoom in. You can see the Golden Gate Bridge. You can see the little those things, those beams from the Golden Gate Bridge. So I'm going to try to give you that scene and take a look. And this is the skyline actually of southern San Francisco, and it is really beautiful out here. The scenery is really nice, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys back out so you could get a different view of this. Okay, here we go. And you can hear the dogs in the background. They're all playing, and the birds. And there we go. And you should be able to see this San Francisco Bridge. There it is. And again, the ocean. So let's see. Let me turn you around here so I can talk to you. So yeah, I mean, this is very nice, and people actually come here, like I said, to bring their pets primarily. But there is actually a beach access down there a little bit more. I remember last time I was here, it was a little bit treacherous, but yeah, I mean, it's really downhill like this, and because it wasn't meant for people to go down there, but I mean, after years of people going down there, it wore like a little path, right? And so I'm going to see if it looks a little different now, because I haven't been here since I lost my dog, and that was back in, he passed, he was like 20-something years old. It was my dad's dog that I ended up adopting when my father passed away, and I guess that was about, let's see, 2016. So here we are, 2021. So it's been 5 years since I've been up here, and I used to love bringing him and my other dog Dobby, my hairless Chinese crested. He also passed. So yeah, it's been a while since I've been up here, but let me go ahead and, instead of keep chattering, do you hear that? Those are dogs and those are birds. So let me go ahead and see if I can get down there and show you something different, okay? Talk to you soon. Okay guys, I stopped here because there is like what is called the Battery Davis. This was built in 1938 for World War II. And what this was an area where they used to have guns. So when there's an upcoming what you call it, the enemy ships coming in, they had very good vantage point. And so it was kind of a strategic point for the military. But now there's a lot of graffiti here. But I mean, this is actually pretty nice art. I think, Nisi, you'll probably appreciate this. This is as close as we come to street art here in San Francisco. So here it is. I'm going to show you one wall, and then I'm going to turn around and show you the other wall afterwards because, yeah. And here we go. I just want to go ahead and show you a little bit of the artwork here. So that's that. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue on and see what we find on the other end of it. Before, they had a lot more, how would you say, things here. I don't know, the gunnery type pieces of it. And they've removed it now. And it looks like there's more artwork here. Interesting artwork, actually. A little bit of graffiti. Yeah, oh, this is actually pretty good graffiti here. Yeah. So I just want to go ahead and capture it for you guys so you can see what it's like. And I'm just going to walk through here because I'll be honest with you, I don't know what's on the other end of it anymore. So hopefully I'm not walking into a hornet's nest here. Okay, and like I said, this was built actually for war. And as you can see up top is where they had probably the gunnery things up there. I don't know if I can get up there. I don't know if I've ever been up there, to tell you the truth. Maybe I have. So, because I used to come here for many years. And, okay. So here we go. And it looks like it just opens up to the ocean. And, hello. Hello. And there's a lady walking with the dog, with a giant poodle. Anyway, so I just want to go ahead and walk through here and see what I see and show you what I see. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is, oh, nice. Now you can see a little bit better why I called it the vantage point for the military, because it's up top there that they go ahead and it used to be like gunner setup. And very, very interesting. Okay. So let's continue on. Sorry about that, guys. I'm having my mask on in case, I poke up and there's a person there. I don't want them to think that I'm not respecting the rules here. So when I know I'm clear of the people, go ahead and try to lower my mask so I can talk to you guys a little bit more clear so I don't sound so muffled. So here, as you can tell, I'm walking towards the water again. And these birds are really nice. It's almost like they're doing gymnastics together. But let me pay attention what's in front of me, because I don't want to walk off a cliff, you know what I mean? That'll give me a viral video, wouldn't it? But no thank you. So, okay. And let's see. Oh, very nice. And it looks like there's like a gradual drop, but I'm not going to take a chance. So, here we go. Very nice. And look at these birds. I mean, it's like, that is so cool. I'm hoping that the video is picking up these birds and it's not just, me seeing it. So, okay guys, I just want to go ahead and show you this beautiful, beautiful scenery. And of course my husband is over there taking his pictures. Wow. Very beautiful. Yeah. Here we go. And let me just go ahead and climb up the highest point here and give you a shot of the ocean, and then I will go ahead and shut down again and go ahead and get to going. Okay, here we go. You can see the ocean. This is quite scary, guys, because I'm right at the edge of the cliff here. And as you can see, there's people down there walking their dogs. There's birds here doing their dances, and far off islands over there. So this is really, really nice. It's a beautiful day. So, okay guys, I'll be right back. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, here we are again. We're at the beach now. We were able to climb down the cliff, and let me show you where we came down from, that area there. And I don't know if you can, I'm picking this up, but look at the sand here. Do you see it sparkling? It just reminds me so much about highlighters. This is so weird, right? And I mean, this is like black sand with it has like a lot of like sparkles in it, and I forgot they call it black diamond sand or something like that, but now it's mixed with a lot of the regular sand, so it's not as nice as it used to be. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you the beach and people walking up and down the beach. Okay, and then here we go. Just wanted to give you a look here. And then also, this is like up top there is like where I was earlier videoing, so it's a different view from down here. It doesn't look that high from down here, but you remember it is pretty deep. So, but there's a lot of people coming, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut you down for now. Okay, see you soon. Okay guys, here we are, probably the last place I'm gonna stop before we get going. We've been walking around a lot, and we're at the top where they have hang gliders, so let me just go ahead and turn you around, okay, so you guys can see. Okay, here we go. You can see, I mean, all the way to the end there. And I'll go ahead and like I said, if this is like way too much wind noise, I will go ahead and just edit music into it, and I may do a voiceover, but I'm hoping not. And that's the top of the turret there that we were underneath, where you saw the graffiti. And so here we are. I think that's gonna be it. We're gonna go ahead and head towards the car now, but I just wanted to give you a last look, and this is a very nice vantage point. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for coming out with me, and I'll see if I can record something if there's too much wind noise. Okay, so like I always say, remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.